Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. Today I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPad. Whether you want to protect your privacy or keep an app away from your kids, I've got you covered. So let's get started. On newer versions of iPadOS, you can hide your apps in a special folder called Hidden. Any apps that are added to the hidden folder can only be accessed after a Face ID or Touch ID scan. To hide an app, unlock your iPad and find its icon on the home screen. After finding its icon, long press on it to reveal its menu. On the menu, you have to tap on the Require Face ID or Require Touch ID option. If you don't see the Require Face ID or Touch ID option, then you have to tap on Options. This will reveal another menu with this option. Then from the pop-up, tap on the Hide and Require Face ID or Touch ID option. Now authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID depending on your iPad model. After you have authenticated, the app's icon will disappear from the home screen. Remember, you will not receive any alerts or notifications for a hidden app, and it will not appear in Spotlight search. To access the hidden apps, all you have to do is scroll towards the right side and access the app library screen. Here, find and tap on a folder called Hidden. It is usually located at the bottom of the app library screen. As soon as you try to open it, you will be asked to perform a Face ID or Touch ID scan. After doing so, you will get access to all the apps that are hidden on your iPad. You can simply tap on their icon in order to launch them. And that's it. This is how you can hide apps on your iPad. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching.